This spectacular 1860 farm and home were once the meeting and gathering place for local families in the Sinking Creek section of the Clinch River Valley located in Tennessee. The current owners have lovingly begun the restoration of this beautiful Queen Anne style home. The general store, which is a part of the property, was the gathering place for local families and friends, as well as the only place for miles to purchase basic supplies. The large multi-stall barn, partially constructed from hand-hewn logs, was once used by early Scott County officials to hold court and could have acted as a jail. This farm is approximately 65 acres, consisting of Sinking Creek bottomland. The land, when cleared, revealed lush meadows that were once hay and tobacco fields. Wooded ridges and hollows have been opened with an extensive trail system. The old family cemetery, once overgrown and unrecognizable, has been cleared, the headstones reset, and monuments erected commemorating a local Civil War soldier. This property is centrally located and only 2 hours from Asheville, North Carolina, 1 hour from Bristol Regional Airport, and 1 hour from Johnson City, Tennessee. Come and make this your home and be a part of this Southern heritage.